I'm recording. Michael!
I'm fighting my boys.
They're dancing real well.
Maybe I'm in a safe seat. Are you really?
Okay, here we come, Mr. Wonderful.
Ready? Uh-oh. Oh, God.
Hey, you guys. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
You look like a wet rat. And you're beside one.
We got that with it. My hair didn't even get wet.
Poor Nancy. You guys got a really bad one.
We're taking on water.
Oh, crap. I got mine. Is it over already? That was... I hope not.
I got water in my butt.
I was expecting that there. Both sides.
I was expecting it over there, not over Oh, shit.
Wow.
Let's go on this so you get one. Wow, here comes the splash.
You guys got really bad feet.
That was awesome.
I don't think it's over. I think we're going. Yeah. I think we're going down a big hill. Oh, it's over.